Hi, in this video we'll see how to do the configuration or to do the screen setting in the SAP screen. So let me log in. So you have got the username and password. You have to just go through the username and password and just log in. After login, we have to do the configuration for the SAP screen before doing any transaction. For this, you have to go for this option, customizing local layout, all plus F12. This option. So just click once, go for the option. Then in option, you have to go for the visual design. So here visual designing. Then go for theme, preview or settings. You have to click here. So here you will see which theme has been selected in your screen, right? So in my screen, SAP signature theme has been selected, but it may be different in your system. So I will see this type of screens already, themes already present in my screen, but yes, I have to select the SAP signature theme. In few servers it will be available in the side, right? In the right side may be available ki different like a drop down where the theme name is mentioned. So here you have to mention the theme name, SAP signature theme, right? So you have to select that, then after click on apply, then you have to make it okay, right? That means that has been saved, right? So let me go again, then go for the this option. After theme selection we have to go for the font setting. Here if you want to change the font, you can select the font also from here. Okay, if you want to make the like a letter bold, italic or anything, or like a letter size will be greater or more, right? You can select from this one and click on ok and save that one, right? Accordingly you can do the font setting. After that, if you want another important setting for the screen of SAP, here you have to go for the interaction design. Go for the interaction design. You have, just click on this drop down, interaction design. Then go for the visualization one. In visualization one, you will find this type of box over here. So here you have to choose the both the like select both the checkbox. Here you have to select the both the checkbox. This must be selected from the right side, जैसे कि क्या लिखा हुआ है, शो कीज विद इन ड्रॉप लिस्ट एंड सॉर्ट बाय कीज विद इन द ड्रॉप लिस्ट फॉर मोस्ट एफिशिएंट. Check this two checkbox. This is most important. Then you can select the dialog box for OK. Use cursor within the list. These are the checkbox you have to choose from your system. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Why this we are doing this type of thing? Because when we are going to make any transaction, let example we are going to create a material with mm01. Here it will be available like here k all materials is available, like written, right? M mechanical engineering is written, but if you have not selected the that drop down box, it will not coming over here, it will not come over here, right? So that you have to do the configuration from this, then go for the options, then you have to do the like visualization setting. It is for the like for the theme setting. Then you have to go for the interaction setting, interaction design. Then you have to go for the visualization one, select the both the checkbox, then apply and okay, right? So thank you and make it in your screen.